Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is your daily tour update for Bitcoin. We will check together what's going on with Bitcoin today, tomorrow. So guys, let's start this analysis. Let's go. So here we are, this is CoinMarketCap, and you can see Bitcoin is going sideways a little bit, 0.2% in the minus, and in the week it's going down really bad, 8.3% in the minus. Ethereum is also going sideways a little bit, but in the week it's going down more as Bitcoin. You can see 13% in the minus. The Binance coin is going down with 1%, in the week with 11%. Solana is going up a little bit, 19% minus in 7 days. Cardano sideways, but in the week 13% in the minus. So the most coins here are going down. But look at this Dogecoin today, a plus about 20%. We have some news for Dogecoin. We will speak about this a little bit later. But remember, Dogecoin is going up today 20.6%. The biggest winner in 24 hours is Dogecoin. And yes, I will show you why, guys, really soon. Place number 2 is Pancake, and Tezos is also going up. eCash is going up. 1inch Network is going up. These are the biggest winners for the day. And the biggest loser is Revain, a minus about 25%. Damn. Voyager 9%. Yunus 6.7%. In 7 days, the biggest winner is Near Protocol. Please watch my video about Near Protocol. It's really interesting. UB token is going up with 8.5%, and Dogecoin is going up 5% in the week. We have here extreme fear in the market. 21 points. Yesterday, fear 28. Last week, extreme fear 25. And last month, greed in the market. So, why? Why is Dogecoin going up so big here? Look at this. Dogecoin skyrockets 20% in minutes. Here are the news for Dogecoin. Skyrockets 20% in minutes. Flipping Terra and Polkadot on news of Tesla acceptance. And this is the big thing. Elon Musk tweeted, and what's happening? Yes, the coin is going up. Elon Musk tweeted today that Tesla would begin accepting Dogecoin, not for buying Teslas, but as a payment method for its merchandise. So, and this is, again, the next thing why Dogecoin made a really big move to the upside for the day. 20% in the plus. So now let's check Bitcoin. We are here for watching Bitcoin. What is the big thing for Bitcoin? Bitcoin. And what is the price prediction telling us for the Bitcoin? The price prediction is telling us, look at this, guys. We are maybe going up from here to a price about 54,000. December the 19th, we will hit maybe 54,600. This is telling us this prediction. All in all, we are still bearish, 70% bearish, 30% bullish. And these are all these indicators here, guys. And you can see for the moment, we have some positive things. RSI, stochastic, and the stock RSI, they are on the buy. All other things, or the most other things here, are neutral or on sell. And you can see, guys, if we are watching what's going on with Bitcoin in the next days here, maybe on 24th December, 53,000 is prediction telling us. And you can see January the 13th, we have maybe a price about 65,000. This is a plus about 38%. Really nice. So Dogecoin, I told you. The Bitcoin, I told you. Now let's check what's going on with TradingView. TradingView is here on a sell. Still on a sell on the daily. 4 hours sell, 2 hours sell, 1 hour neutral. We have no buy here for Bitcoin. Only the oscillators on the 1 hour are telling us buy, but all other things are telling us we should be neutral or sell our Bitcoin, not financial advice. The candlestick patterns. And guys, yesterday we closed our candle really bad. Look at this. We closed it with this one here. We have now the following 3 methods, a bearish continuation pattern with a high reliability on the daily. Damn, guys, this is not good. Maybe we're going down here more and more and more. These are telling us the patterns. This is telling us this one, the following 3 methods. Attention. So the bar chart is here. We will talk about the bar chart a little bit later. Now, the big question is what's going on with Bitcoin? And this is the last picture from yesterday. Yesterday, I made an XXL video, a live video with some nice guys here. We talked a little bit about Bitcoin, and this is one of the patterns. The possibility is here for this pattern really high, and it's a nice pattern, but we can see a breakout, a really big breakout to the upside or to the downside. But we can see it's possible to go down from here to this point, and you can see a lot of guys are speaking about 41 or 42,000. And yes, you can see if we're going down here, this is the daily time frame, every candle is 1 day. It's possible to hit this line here. This is the bottom line. But now we will talk about talk about the big targets. Today is a daily update. We will talk about the daily, not the daily, the 1 hour time. So let's zoom in a little bit more. What can we see here, guys? This is the 1 hour time frame. And we saw here a bad parallel channel to the downside. Yes, we broke it here to the upside. That's first of all a nice thing. But guys, we have to watch the bigger time frame here from here to here. And you can see for the moment we are still in this bad bearish downtrend parallel channel. And yes, you can see the middle line is the next big thing. You can see we saw here a spike to the middle line. And guys, remember, the middle line is always a really big thing. For the moment, it's a bad red resistance. We saw a perfect spike here to the resistance line here on this point on the 1 hour, and we are going down again. But guys, for the moment, we are building higher highs. This is positive for the moment. And yes, we can make one thing also in the 1 hour time frame, a nice little parallel channel to the upside. And this is the thing what I'm watching for the moment. We broke this bad one. It is a red one, not a green one, Biti. So we broke this red parallel channel to the upside. Now we are going up. We have here a big resistance, and this is the next big thing we have to watch in the next hours. Can we stay in this little uptrend? Yes or no? Where is the next big thing to watch? First of all, it's the middle line. Yes, of course. And you can see 47,800 or 48,000. Let me tell it, 48,000 is one of the biggest things we need to hit in the next hours here. We need confirmed closing candles over this bad middle line. This would be an awesome thing. Guys, let's check the EMA ribbon band, and we can see we are now fighting with the ribbon band. Here is the 1 hour time frame. Here is the EMA 200. It's really high, 49,000. It's not necessary to talk about it for the moment, but now we are fighting with the ribbon band, and we need a confirmed closing candle over the ribbon band. We saw the first try with this one here, big wicks to the upside. You know it, guys, big wicks to the upside. That means we are maybe going down. You can see it, wick to the upside, a little body, bam, we're going down. Now we need to watch what's going on with this fight with the ribbon band and this parallel channel to the upside, guys. If we are watching the buy and sell signals, you can see we have here a buy signal. For the moment, this buy signal is okay. It's working. We're going up here. But guys, if we will lose our uptrend channel, it's maybe the time to sell. So attention, watch this. We also saw a sell signal, and this sell signal here was perfect. This was perfect. We broke completely through the ribbon band, and this was the best point for make a short position or to sell. And you see it also, guys. We saw a green ribbon band. Here we changed into a red one. We saw a short. Bam, it was a really nice short to the downside. For the moment, we are still in a short. Remember, the ribbon band is over our head, is a resistance. We need to watch what's going on. So if we are watching our bigger things, if we are watching our patterns, let's remove this stuff here. Let's turn off this and this one. And yes, of course, for the moment, we are building here maybe a bear flag, maybe a downgoing wedge, a falling wedge. I don't know, but guys, in my opinion, this is more important. That's the parallel channel to the downside. That's the middle line. We hit the middle line here on this position once again. We are again over this, and we need to watch this. Guys, this is really important, in my opinion. We can make one thing also. We can make one thing. This is maybe interesting stuff. We can make a line from here to here and a line from here to here. And you can see we are forming this next triangle, and I'm really sure we will see a big move to the upside or to the downside. If we will break the triangle to the downside, we will see a big move to the downside, or if we will make break it to the upside, we will also see, in my opinion, a really big one. The Fibonacci retracement is something like this, and you can see here the next problem what we have is this Fibonacci line here over us. This is a price about 48,400. So you can see 48, big resistance. We have this line, we have the Fibonacci, we have the ribbon band. We have here a lot of things over us for the moment, and we need to fight back 48,000 to see more morning Bitcoin. For the moment, we have some big problems here. Last but not least, let me check here for you the RSI on the 1 hour time frame, relative strength index. And you can see we are on the middle, not overbought, not oversold. And you can see also we can make a line here from the highest point here to the downside. That's the resistance. We have some space to the upside, so maybe we can go up to 48,000, 48,400. If you're watching the RSI, it's also really possible. Let me check really quick before we end the 4-hour RSI. And the 4-hour RSI is looking like this one. Let me check from here. Yes, something like this. It was the fake out. We broke down again, and we are here a little space to the upside also. So yes, it's possible to see 48,400 in the near future. Why not? RSI is showing us, yes, it's possible. Let's check the MACD also. Here is the MACD, and the 4-hour MACD is still bearish. You can see it. We broke it here. The blue line broke the red line here with this candle. For the moment, you can see it's a fight now. If we will see a changing, if we will see a cross for the blue line over this brown line, this would be a bullish stuff, guys. You can see we are losing volume to the downside. We are building here light red candles, not dark red, and maybe we will see here a cross again to the upside. This would be really nice. On the 1 hour, last but not least, now guys, we are bullish for the moment. You can see it. We saw the cross here. We are now bullish. Blue line is over the brown line, but it's the other stuff. As the 4-hour, you can see the volume is going down here for the green candles. We are now on light green candles. And if we will see on the 1 hour, the next cross, it would be a next dump to the downside. So guys, I think you know everything you need to know. You know the targets to the upside, you know the targets to the downside, you know where is the next resistance, and you know this is the ribbon band, this is the triangle. You know everything. Let me check now really last but not least, our next support point. The next support point is on 44,900. 44,900. We can make a line 44,900 here on this point. Guys, you can see it. If we will go down here, if we will lose this triangle to the downside, we have this middle line and we have the green line as a big support, because it's the next pivot point. 45,000 next big support, 48,000 big resistance, and remember 50,000 big psychological resistance to the upside. Guys, this was the update for the day. I wish you the best of luck. It doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short. I wish you make millions with your trade. Have a nice time. Very important. I'm not a financial advice. It's not a financial advice. Guys, thanks for your support. Thanks for every comment. Thank you for every time to the upside. Bye-bye.
Systematic